I have a somewhat eventful day today. Actually just preparing some flyers for my open house tomorrow. Waiting on Ariel to get back from the gym, and then we're gonna go watch our ladies compete. We have 3 of our girls from the gym competing today, so we're gonna go cheer them on. Once that's done, I'm gonna go pick up the flyers that I printed and go ahead and drop them off at the homes around the property that I'm gonna do an open house for. So I thought maybe you guys wanna accompany me. I don't like to really be alone sometimes, so we shall go together. Yes, I saw. Woohoo! Cheerleader! What did you say? The first one, So proud. We're so proud. Oh my God.
1.
Yay! You bet you gotta deliver the news to them. You know where that banner belongs. Hey, you gotta tell them they can't take it to their house. You can't take that banner home. You know that, right?
I want to.
Ah!
Give it.
To the gym. Yes.
They're out.
Wait. They're out. Oh my God, this is how good this place is. Jeez. The people need to know. What'd you get?
This is a maple bacon and then the churro,
Oh,
which is
I love churros.
#1 donut. Undisputed.
Nobody said anything.
Undisputed. So
Nobody said anything about churro.
Bourbon caramel. Yeah.
You knew something I didn't know.
I thought it sounded really
I don't know why I didn't get the churro when I eat churros all the time.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
it's getting ugly over here. It's getting ugly.
You're so funny.
Or caramel bourbon.
A murder scene's happening. It's really good. Look at show us the tenderness of everything. Oh my God.
Even the 4 o'clock in the afternoon donuts are still.
Woo. Ah.
Yes.
That like you just won a competition.
See, I'm curious now.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's like chocolate.
I'm just disappointed you didn't get a fourth one to fill out the box.
I wasn't told.
I
She
know.
should have upsold us and said, there's an extra room for one more.
That's strawberry pistachio.
But this one is for her and this two are for me.
There you go.
I only want one. That's good for
I'm
me.
joking.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Which one you want?
Mine.
Oh, excuse me.
I wasn't getting anything else.
Excuse me. Here you go.
Wow. The audacity you have to grab the donut like that.
Oh my gosh.
I want to taste this one. It's just, it's interesting.
Oh my
I
god,
thought it was
there's
gonna
nothing clean about this.
I thought it was gonna be like a raspberry, like very reddish raspberry instead of like a
Looks more like
like a frost.
See.
Right?
Let's not go all in.
that's a great angle.
There's no easy way to eat this. Oh my god, it's so good.
And it's like different. You know, I grew up on Krispy Kreme, and this is a different donut than.
No, dude, this is its own category.
Just leaning on the door. Tomorrow morning, honey.
The moment we got started on dropping off our flyers, it started to rain. No, babe, I'm gonna give it a second. I'm gonna try. Maybe I'll go with the umbrella. Did it. That was like, what, 20 minutes? It didn't rain.
You did it.
Now, for the real stuff tomorrow. Day of open house. Got the open house signs. We got a big old table in the back for my setup. All my clothes. Gonna go print some stuff at FedEx to have for the open house. Pick up my donuts. Get some ice for the orange juice. And then let's get this party started. It's a beautiful day in Florida and it's really hot. So we're gonna sweat a little bit. It's part of the Florida lifestyle. You kind of push through the summer and then fall comes and we're just like, we forget about how hot it gets out here. Look at my look, friends. Look at my look. Only me. Only me. Got my signs ready. Let's go. I'm just out here putting away all my stuff. Guys, I'm alive, I'm okay. The open house went really well. I didn't have like 20 or 30 people come by, but I had some really sweet families and couples drop in. Had great conversation, made some new friends. That's all I can ask for. Great experience. I'm coming out of my comfort zone doing this. It's not easy as a real estate agent to do open houses. There's a lot of factors that play into it. But whenever you step out of your comfort zone, you grow and learn a lot of things about yourself. So realtors out there, it's not easy, but it's worth it.